Further buying pressure then for the US dollar continuation. And obviously, we've been saying it, we're magnetized towards wanting to close this gap, the ceasefire gap. And we're going for a push through. As we covered yesterday, there's been escalation between US, Iran, okay, strikes back and forth. Trump was, there was a lot of fiery commentary yesterday as well via Truth Social, which you can check out, but no signs of a slowdown yet. Now, some people may have thought, seen this in the news. U.S. House votes to rein in Trump's war powers around, obviously, what's going on in Iran. But it's unclear how much legal force this White House measure would have. The White House has dismissed the merits for this resolution, saying it is an unconstitutional attempt to restrict presidential power. You may have also seen Israel and Lebanon agree a new ceasefire. However, despite the deal, Israel carried out multiple drone strikes in southern Lebanon this morning. So nothing's changed. Tensions still high. Geopolitics are still very much there and alive, keeping dollar elevated. And the reason dollar elevated is because the risk of inflation with higher oil price on the rise again. And obviously markets are ramping up once this decides to load. Hello, markets are ramping up their rate hike bets. Okay, when you look here, it's still elevated that we're going to get a hike before the end of the year. 56.3% probability there in December. So dollars just going for a push right now. Structure remains intact. When you look, we're in obviously high low phase. And we're just trying to just make clearance of this gap area, which looks very possible right now, especially as I said yesterday, double bottom, 1-2 neckline here, flag here, this consolidation now, this big momentum breakout. And it's possible that we see something similar to this here where we had in March, where we are then drawn into that. We're going to be drawn, very likely drawn into that next area of liquidity, taking us into 150. So further upside pressure there for the dollar. Maybe a little bit consolidation ahead of non-farm payrolls tomorrow. That number comes out stronger with higher average earnings, which would be inflationary, right? That would be supportive of further dollar buying.